Rondell Engineering Solutions have designed a pipe alignment trolley, PAT, to improve safety, accuracy, and efficiency in pipe fitting. We believe it's all about saving time. This is Cyril, the CTO, who has over 30 years' experience in the pipe fitting and welding industry. He will demonstrate PAT for us. The trolley is moved into position and the side-to-side lock removed. After the flange touches the pipe, move forward another 50 millimeters. This creates a load between the flange and pipe, leaving the operator hands-free. Place the spacer. Final adjustment is achieved using the in-out adjuster. The weld gap is now set. Thank you for looking and listening. Please do not hesitate to contact us.